Welcome. Today we begin with simple but powerful idea. Programming is a language of machines, not just typing codes, not just syntax, but the bridge between human logic and machine execution. In this presentation, we will explore the history, the foundation, and the rise of Python. Is coding still necessary? In the age of AI, many people ask, is coding still necessary? AI can generate codes, apps can build apps, but here is the truth. AI tools are abstractions, and abstractions hide complexity. They do not remove it. If you want to control systems, debug failures, or build the AI of tomorrow, you must understand what lies beneath. Turning human logic into machine action. Programming is the process of giving structured instructions to a computer. Computers do not understand English, they understand binary, 0 and 1. When we write code, we are translating our logic into a form the machine can execute. Human logic becomes programming language. Programming language becomes machine codes become voltage, and voltage becomes action. The iron law of hardware. No matter how intelligent the AI appears, the machine is literal. It operates on one simple cycle: input, process, and output. Everything you see on your screen is numerical. A screen is millions of pixels. Each pixel has RGB values. Each color is a hexadecimal number. Everything visual is mathematics. Programming is how we control those numbers. Algorithm before the machine. Programming existed before electronic computers. In the 1800s, Charles Babbage designed the analytical engine, but it was Ada Lovelace who understood its true potential. She wrote what is considered the first algorithm for machines. She once said, the analytical engine weaves algebraic patterns just as the jacquard loom weaves flowers. Programming began as mathematical imagination. Birth of the computer science. In 1936, Alan Turing introduced the concept of universal machine, a theoretical model that could compute anything computable. The idea laid the foundation of computer science. Before digital hardware, computation was abstract. Turing proved it could be universal. Climbing the ladder of abstraction. In the 1950s to 1980s, programming language evolved from machine codes to assembly to Fortran and COBOL to C and eventually to object-oriented language. Each step increased human readability. Each step moved us further from raw hardware. This is the ladder of abstraction. The arrival of Python. In 1991, Guido van Rossum created Python. It was different. It prioritized the human reader, readable, simple, expressive. Python could feel like English, and the philosophy changed everything. Under the hood, how Python executes. Python is an interpreted language. It does not run directly on hardware. When you write a Python script, it is converted into bytecode. That bytecode runs inside the Python virtual machine, and then CPU executes it. Even high-level code eventually becomes binary. Why Python won the modern era? Python did not win because of syntax alone. It won because of its ecosystem: web development, automation, data science, machine learning. Its batteries include philosophy and massive open source community. Python became the glue language of modern world. native language of AI. Most AI research today is built with Python. Libraries like TensorFlow and PyTorch, neural networks, data pipelines, model training. Python became the control panel for intelligence. Programming is thinking, not typing. Programming is not about typing fast, it is about thinking clearly, breaking big problems into smaller ones, designing systems, abstracting complexity. Learning programming means learning how machine thinks. Human in the loop. AI can generate code, but AI models are implemented in code. When system fails, human debug them. When systems scale, human architect them. AI is the engine, you are the architect. The road ahead. Before advanced implementation, we must master the foundation, control flow, functions, modules, data structures, algorithms. We build the mindset first, then the system. The logic of the digital world today will change, tools will change, language will evolve, but the ability to communicate directly with machines will always matter. Programming is not just a